Gone are the days of long bank queues, unwieldy paperwork, or even going to the bank. Skip the inconvenience of transferring money to another bank account. Choose a much more convenient, easy and hassle-free transaction with PayZapp UPI. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to transfer money to another bank account via PayZapp UPI. Firstly, go to the PayZapp home screen. Choose Pay Anyone. Then input the recipient's UPI ID or mobile number, or choose a beneficiary from your contacts and verify the details carefully. After that, specify the transfer amount and, if needed, include a remark or description. Lastly, choose your linked UPI account and make the payment using your UPI PIN. Congratulations! You have successfully transferred money to another bank account using PayZapp UPI. One app for all payment choices.
PayZapp by HDFC Bank. Pay your way.